All right, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to update you guys to show you the power of Vinnie's trading cheat code. Right now, what we're looking at is um, the Telegram group, the free Telegram group. You can have access or get access to this group. There's a link down in the description below this video. Inside of our group, I give out signals, and these are trade ideas that I gave out for UJ and also Euro AUD. Gave this out March 7th. Let's actually see how these played out. So right now we're on USD JPY 1 hour time frame. This is where I entered. This is my entry. Okay. And then I'll explain to you why I entered here. Okay. But anyway, we're almost at TP. This trade is a 249 pip trade or 250 pip trade. Um, are you ready to elevate your trading experience? Let me introduce you to my trusted Forex broker, LQDFX. At LQDFX, they prioritize transparency, low spreads, and lightning fast execution. You can trade Forex, commodities, indices, cryptos, and even stocks. For me, as a swing trader, they also offer swap free trading on the ECN account, gold account, PAM accounts, and VIP accounts. So if you're ready to trade with a trusted broker on the MT4 platform, come join the community and don't just trade, but thrive with LQDFX. Link in the description below. So let's turn on the cheat code, guys. I'm the creator of the cheat code system, and the way I trade is mechanical now. Okay. I get my trade ideas from the scanner that you see here. Okay. Off the 4 hour daily time frame, and I only take trades off the scanner because the scanner is going to offer you the highest probability of a trade going in your direction. So both of these trades are trades I got from the scanner on the 4 hour time frame. Okay. So once I get a signal on the 4 hour time frame, let's go to the 4 hour time frame so you guys can see. So once I get a signal on the 4 hour time frame, green means buy, red means sell. Okay. Once I get a signal, the next thing I'm going to do, guys, is use a GSA strategy, which is a 4 hour signal, 1 hour break and retest. The easiest strategy in trading right now, guaranteed. Okay. You can't get any easier than this. So the reason for taking this trade, if we look at the 4 hour time frame, uh, one of these candles went outside the band. When that happens, that means we have an extreme in the market and price is going to reverse. Okay. So this is where I had my entry. Price came down outside of the band. We had a signal. We also had divergence buy signals. So these buy signals that are in green that says buy, those are called divergence buy signals. Okay. And that just lets you know, gives you an early warning that price is going to reverse. Okay. But what we're looking for is a CC buy or CC sell. Next thing that we're going to do is go to the 1 hour time frame, to our entry time frame. The 1 hour time frame is our entry time frame. And so this here was the 4 hour signal. We got the CC buy, divergence. And so what I'm looking for next is a break and retest. Okay. I'm looking for price to retest these lows here. Okay. So price made a low. Price broke out of the HMA. This is this moving average in between the bands here. Okay. Once it broke the HMA, meaning candles closed after the HMA, price came back down to retest. This is an example of a break and retest, break and retest, break and retest, right? Retest these lows. Price came back down to retest these lows, not once, not twice, but 3 times, right? So you had 3 opportunities to get into this trade. Okay. Doesn't always happen that way, but definitely on a break and retest. When price came back to retest, that was your opportunity to get into the market. Went through a little consolidation, then price finally broke out to the upside, and price started to make higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so this was a beautiful, beautiful trade. Got in on this trade Friday, March 8th. I'm not sorry. I got in this trade. I think, yeah, on Friday. I got in this trade early on Friday. So right now we're still waiting for price to hit TP, but that is the GSA strategy, guys. 4-hour signal, 1-hour break and retest. Can't get any simpler than that. And that's what trading has to be. Trading has to be simple. Okay. I'm not looking for fair value gaps, imbalances. Yeah, you can use those things in your trading sometimes, but for me, let's try to make it as simple and easy as possible. We get a signal from the scanner. We simply wait for a 4-hour signal, 1-hour break and retest. Now let's go take a look at Euro AUD. Euro AUD already hit TP. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see the price was coming down. It created a low. Okay. Let's turn on the indicator. So on a 4-hour time frame, we had a CC buy and a divergence buy signal. Okay. Now all we had to do was wait for the break and retest. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Okay. Now most people would try to chase this first entry here. Okay. You can see that price came all the way back down again to do what? Retest these lows. Okay. Price came right back down to retest these lows. All right. This was an example of a perfect break and a retest. Perfect break and retest. Price shot up. Okay. We're not looking for this initial move. We're looking for price to come back to retest these lows. Once price did that, that was your entry. And price never came back to this area here. Okay. So this was a beautiful, beautiful trade that hopefully you guys took. Was a nice break and retest, and then price consolidated for a little bit for a couple days and finally broke out to the upside and hit RTP for a total of about 140 pips. Okay. Just off of that one trade. So that shows you don't need a bunch of trades, guys. You do not need to be in the market every single day. Take a trade with the highest probability setup. These setups that you're seeing for UJ and Euro AUD are high probability setups. Why? Because the trade played out exactly how it was supposed to play out. Break and retest, and then price shot off up to RTP. Okay. Now the next thing we want to do is simply wait for the next trade. We'll go to the 4-hour time frame, and I see that we do have a couple trades lit up on a scanner. Okay. But again, today is Friday, so I'm not looking to really enter into these trades. We'll wait until Monday, going into Tuesday, a reversal day, and then we'll look to maybe hop into one of these high probability setups. Okay, so we got AUD CAD for a buy. Let's take a look at that real quick. Okay, so price is still pushing down. So again, it's not ready yet. So the scanner just lets you know you have an early warning that price is going to reverse soon. Okay, so it's not ready yet. Let's take a look at Euro NZD for a sale. Okay, Euro NZD, again, it's not ready yet, but again, we have what we need to see. Prices closed outside of the band. We have a rejection candle. We have a CC sell. That's exactly what we're looking for. Okay, so now all we want to do is simply wait for a what? 1-hour break and retest. Okay, we have our 1-hour break. Okay, price closed after the HMA here. We still want price to maybe come down to this support and then come up and retest these highs. Okay, once price gets back up here to retest these highs, then we'll be looking to take a sale on Euro NZD. But until then, we are patiently waiting for our setup. And that's what trading is, guys. It's being disciplined enough to wait for your setup and not to chase trades. Okay, because if you don't chase trades, you won't lose as much. You will still lose, but it won't be as often if you just sit back and wait for the market to come to you. Wait for your setup. So this is an example of waiting for a setup. Again, we have another sale on GBP NZD 4-hour time frame. Exact same setup is not ready yet, but we do have our signal on the 4-hour signal, the 4-hour time frame. Wait for that 1 hour break and retest. Okay. That's what we're looking for. So if you guys do not have the cheat code, make sure you guys go get the cheat code. It'll make your trading a lot simpler, and it will help you to become a consistently profitable trader. Again, we do this day in and day out. Link will be in the description below for you to go get the cheat code. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.